Welcome back. Today we're busting the myth that you need to spend a fortune for great skin. I get asked all the time if you really need those pricey luxury products. Absolutely not. I'm here to show you the best drugstore dupes that deliver real results without draining your wallet. It's all about smart choices. Focus on ingredients and formulation, not the brand or fancy packaging. Every product I mention is affordable and easy to find, so you can build a full routine for less than one luxury serum. Let's dive in and save your skin and your wallet. Serum Hydrating Cleanser is my go-to dupe for high-end hydrating cleansers like Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. For under $15, you get a gentle, non-foaming, fragrance-free formula with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, absolutely perfect for dry or sensitive skin types. The Ordinary's niacinamide, 10% plus zinc 1% is a true game-changer, rivaling serums that cost over $100. Niacinamide regulates oil, minimizes pores, improves texture, and calms redness. Plus zinc adds anti-inflammatory power. For the price of a coffee, you get a potent, effective serum that's a staple for so many skincare routines. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is the ultimate dupe for those viral, pricey gel moisturizers. Lightweight, oil-free, and packed with hyaluronic acid, it gives instant hydration and a dewy finish. Skin barrier health is everything, but you don't need to splurge on expensive creams. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is packed with ceramides, niacinamide, and prebiotic thermal water. It restores and protects your barrier, hydrates for 48 hours, and is gentle for sensitive skin. Dermatologist loved and drugstore priced. What more could you want? ELF Holy Hydration Face Cream is a rich, non-greasy moisturizer packed with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalane, and peptides. It rivals luxury creams for a fraction of the price and is fragrance-free. At around $12, it's a must-have for deep hydration. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum is the perfect beginner retinol. Gentle, effective, and affordable for everyone. Micro-encapsulated retinol and bakuchiol work together to minimize irritation while tackling fine lines and texture. Start your retinol journey today, without the fear or the high price tag. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is the OG Gentle Cleanser. No frills, no fuss, just results you can trust. Soap-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, it cleanses your skin without stripping or irritating. If you have sensitive or reactive skin, this is your best bet. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream is a true drugstore legend, holding its own against luxury anti-aging creams. Packed with peptides and niacinamide, it hydrates, plumps, and smooths fine lines. Proven results, a luxurious feel, and a price that can't be beat. L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensive's 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum is a perfect dupe for 300+ serums. 2 molecular weights of HA deliver deep, lasting hydration with a lightweight, non-sticky feel. Instantly plumps and hydrates, one of the best at the drugstore. Simple, kind to skin. Micellar Cleansing Water is my top pick for gentle, effective makeup removal. It easily lifts away makeup and impurities without harsh chemicals or stripping your skin. Leaves skin clean, fresh, and hydrated. No tightness, dryness, or residue left behind. Rosy Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream is a clinically proven, affordable retinol night cream. It visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles, renews and smooths skin overnight, and minimizes irritation. For the price, it's truly unmatched in anti-aging power. Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer, SPF 30 delivers hydration, radiance and essential sun protection all in one step. Total Soy Complex helps brighten and even your skin tone, while SPF 30 shields from UV rays. Lightweight, oil-free, and perfect under makeup. Garnier Skin Active. Clearly brighter anti-puff eye roller is a morning must-have. Caffeine, vitamin C, and a cooling rollerball reduce puffiness and brighten eyes instantly. It's an affordable, effective pick-me-up for tired eyes. Pixie Glow Tonic is the gentle, accessible glycolic acid toner everyone raves about. 5% glycolic acid exfoliates, aloe and ginseng soothe, and it's alcohol-free. Get a radiant, smooth glow without the luxury price. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen is the answer to greasy, heavy sunscreens. Lightweight, non-greasy, and fast-absorbing, it feels just like a moisturizer, not sunscreen. Broad-spectrum protection up to SPF 55, water-resistant and non-comedogenic. No excuses. Wear your sunscreen every day. Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream is the ultimate solution for dry, rough, or bumpy skin. No luxury price required. Ceramides and natural moisturizing factors deliver intense, long-lasting hydration for your skin. Fragrance-free, dye-free, and a huge tub for a great price. Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Plus Tripeptide Serum is a powerful, affordable alternative to pricey vitamin C serums. Stable vitamin C, peptides, and licorice root work together to brighten, firm, and even out skin tone. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and delivers a visible, healthy glow. CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum targets post-acne marks, texture, and pores, without irritation. Encapsulated retinol, licorice root, niacinamide, and ceramides multitask for smoother, clearer skin. A powerhouse formula at a fraction of the price. Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer fights 7 signs of aging in one step. Vitamin-rich, lightweight, reliable, affordable classic. The Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum is the ultimate no-nonsense hydrator. Multimolecular HA and Matrixyl 3000 peptide deliver deep hydration and anti-aging benefits, under $10 for a high-quality layerable serum. Burt's Bees Sensitive Facial Cleanser is a gentle, creamy 98.9% natural formula. Cotton extract, rice extract, and aloe soothe and moisturize. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist-tested for sensitive skin. L'Oréal Paris Pure Clay Masks deliver spa-like detox and pore refinement for less. Multiple clays deep clean without over-drying. Vanicream. Moisturizing cream is the holy grail for sensitive allergy-prone or eczema-prone skin. No dyes, fragrance, lanolin, or parabens, just intense, barrier-restoring hydration. Rich, thick, and safe for face and body. No7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum is a clinically proven peptide-powered anti-aging serum. Matrixyl 3000 plus, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid help reduce deep lines and protect skin. Award-winning results at a drugstore price. Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer SPF 15 is a gentle, lightweight, and non-greasy staple for daily sun protection. It's perfect for sensitive or acne-prone skin, and ideal for everyday wear. ELF Super Hydrate Moisturizer is a jelly-textured, squalene-packed gel for oily or combo skin. Niacinamide, cica, and snow mushroom hydrate, soothe and brighten. Affordable, sophisticated, and never greasy. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Retinol oil combines potent retinol with nourishing oils for gentle, effective anti-aging results. It absorbs quickly, minimizes irritation, and leaves your skin noticeably smoother and more radiant. The Ordinary's HA 30% plus BHA 2% Peeling Solution is a cult favorite potent exfoliating mask. It dramatically resurfaces skin, improves texture, and clears out pores at just a fraction of the luxury price. Use with caution. This is a very strong treatment. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer soothes and hydrates stressed, sensitive skin. Prebiotic oat and feverfew calm redness, nourish the barrier, and help restore comfort. Lightweight, fragrance-free, and instantly comforting. Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Gel Wash combines micellar technology with a gentle gel for a thorough, non-stripping cleanse. It's perfect for sensitive or combination skin. Fragrance-free, pH-balanced, and dermatologist-tested. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Acne Spot Treatment uses micronized benzoyl peroxide and LHA for fast, targeted acne relief. It clears blemishes, unclogs pores, and is gentle enough for daily use. Olay's Ultimate Eye Cream targets dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles. Color-correcting tint, peptides, and niacinamide deliver results. The Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream helps reduce puffiness and dark circles using caffeine and Matrixyl 3000 peptide. It's lightweight, hydrating, and perfect for a refreshing morning pick-me-up. That's a wrap on my favorite affordable skincare dupes. You don't need to spend a lot for glowing, healthy skin. Focus on ingredients and smart choices, not hype or price tags. Share your favorite dupes or affordable finds in the comments. Thanks for watching and trusting me with your skincare journey. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time. Bye.